Today I'm doing a simple thermostat upgrade from this old Mercury stat to this Honeywell Home Pro 1000. I'm turning the fan to the on position. I can hear the fan kick on. I need to secure the breaker to this thermostat before working on it. I come over here to the breaker panel, find the furnace, aquatherm, air handler label. This one is number 13. I turn that breaker off and I hear the fan go off. Removing this cover from the old thermostat isn't hard at all because it's broken. With the cover off, the top and bottom mounting screws are exposed. They can be removed with a flathead screwdriver in this case. Depending on how much paint is around the thermostat, you may need to take a knife and cut it before pulling it away from the wall. This is how the wires should be color coded. R is going to be red for your main power. Green is going to be for your fan or blower. White is going to be for your heat, and yellow is going to be for your cooling compressor. If your old thermostat was working right, then these colors are probably correct. Here's our new simple digital thermostat that we are going to be installing for our one cool, one heat, single stage system. This heating system is gas. You need to remove the mounting bracket from the thermostat. You can do this by hand, or you could pry the inserts with the flathead screwdriver. These wires don't need to be curved, so I'm going to clean them all up. We have plenty of wire to work with, and I'm just going to strip them all back about 3/8 of an inch. This blue wire can be used as a common wire, which means you can power the thermostat from the transformer. Since this is a simple installation, I'm not going to get into that. Pulling my thermostat wires through the back of the mounting bracket before I secure the mounting bracket to the wall. On the mounting bracket terminal, I find it best to use these precision flathead screwdrivers. Going over some of these letters, RC and RH, you want to keep connected unless you use two transformers. An example when you would have that is if your system also controlled radiant heat. Either way, R is going to be your main 24 volt power coming into the thermostat. That is the control voltage. Your W terminal is going to be for heat, whether that's gas or oil or electric. If it's electric, you will have to adjust the tab on the back of the thermostat itself. The Y terminal is going to be for your compressor contactor or your call for cooling. The green terminal is going to be for your indoor blower fan. The O and B terminals would be for if you had a heat pump, a system with a reversing valve, and the C terminal would be for your common wire if you wanted to hook that up and power the thermostat without using batteries. Next is just simply mounting the mounting bracket to the wall. You can use this bottom part to put a level on to make sure the thermostat's level. Next, just insert the batteries. If your system is using electric heat, move the tab in the up position on the bottom right. The thermostat onto the mounting bracket. You will hear it click. Reapply power to the thermostat. I'm immediately going to turn the fan on. To make sure that I hear the fan, I do. Next, I want to check and make sure that the cooling is going to come on. Solid cool on means it's calling for cooling. Checking the cooling, looks good. Always remember to read your installation manual on your thermostat. Thanks for watching. This fix is done.